What's going on, guys? Thomas Garetz here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by simply watching videos online. But the best part is you don't even have to actually watch the videos themselves, right? Like, you can just leave it open in another tab and it will make you money. And don't worry, this isn't one of those scammy sites that these gurus talk about. This is a reputable site that gets tens of millions of visitors. You can see right here, 18 million per month. And not only that, but they've paid out over $419 million. But just make sure you watch the entire video, because at the end, I'm going to show you a bonus that can make you even more money online. Really quick though, before we start, I know you see the new background again, but this is just my wall without the blue light on it, or my gray backdrop, so it's just the wall. And I know the content itself is the most important part of the video, of course, but I also really care about your opinion. So if you could please leave a comment down below whether you think I should keep it like this, go back to the blue light, or go back to the OG gray backdrop. But yeah, I really appreciate it. So just make sure to comment down below which one you think I should go with moving forward. But now, without any further ado, let's just get right into the video. All right, so the first step to being able to make money watching videos online is finding a real, reputable website. And like I talked about at the beginning, this is one of them, and this is called Swagbucks. And this is honestly where a lot of the gurus screw up, because they're just telling you to sign up for these random websites no one's ever heard of, and a lot of the time, those websites are complete scams and don't even let you withdraw the money. And like I showed you, there's over 18 million views every month, and they've paid out $400+ million. So this site is legit. I've used it myself. As you can see, I have Swagbucks right here. And how it works is you complete tasks and you get paid Swagbucks. Every 100 Swagbucks is $1. And obviously one of those tasks is watching videos. And another cool feature is you can actually refer your friends and earn $5 free for both of you once they earn their first 500 Swagbucks, which is very simple to do. So that's another cool way to earn with this website. And like I said, there's tons of ways, but we're gonna focus first off with the watching videos, and I'll show you a couple others after that. But before we do any of that, you have to create an account, which is 100% free. And if you want to use my link to get the free $5, you can use it linked in the description below. Totally up to you, not a big deal either way. But now, after you've created your account, we're just gonna go over here and we're gonna go to watch. So the way this works is you can watch any type of videos here, and you can just go to like the best of today. Really, it would make more sense to go to the one that pays $3, but either way, I'm just showing you for example, and it will pop up. You'll just have to wait for it to load. So it's almost done right here. So it shows you how to enable pop-ups. If you don't have them allowed, you have to do that to be able to make the money. So then you'll click start earning and it will redirect you. And you're probably curious how they're able to let you do this and make money. The way they do this is they show you ads. Okay, so you'll see pretty soon here an ad will pop up. And here's an ad right here. You can see ad right there. So that's how they're going to make money through this exact process. And again, like I said, you can literally have this open in another tab and just do whatever work you're doing on the computer while this is playing. It's like, why not? And you can actually learn a lot of cool stuff from these videos, like learning how to cook Chrissy Teigen's street Mexican street corn, right? I would never have known how to do this. So you're getting paid to watch videos you probably already watch already, so that's dope. And like I said, you don't have to actually watch them. Now, let's say you don't really want to watch these videos. We can exit out of this and we can go back to Swagbucks. We'll just click right here to go back to the home page. And you can do tons of things. You can do surveys, you can do games, you can even shop and earn. But obviously you'd have to pay for stuff. But the best way, I think, I've done a video about it, is playing video games, but also looking at the trending page, because this is where all the best offers are going to be, because the most people are using them. But like Raid Shadow Legends, for example, 1,500 Swagbucks. Obviously, it says right here you have to get to upgrade your hero to 5 stars in 7 days, which, I mean, we have nothing better to do right now. So there's tons of ways to do it. Some of these you have to like start a trial. So just make sure you're reading the disclaimer and seeing what you actually have to do. I would only do one at a time so you can make sure you complete what you need to do. And then once you're ready to like exchange in your Swagbucks, all you do is go right here, redeem your Swagbucks or your SB. And then you can see you can get gift cards, PayPal money. Like it's insane. If you want to ask me what I'm going to do, in my opinion, now this is totally up to you, but what I'm going to do is I'm waiting till I have 2175 and I'm going to get the Visa gift card. All right, or the rewards card. It's just money, right? And I'm gonna get the one with the 13% off because you can see instead of 2,500 Swagbucks, it's 2,175 for $25. Because you look right here for $5, it's 500. And sure, if you don't plan on doing anything more and that's all you're gonna get, do it. But right here, $25 PayPal cash is 2,500 Swagbucks. But a $25 Visa rewards card is 2,175. It's free money, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. It's totally up to you. They have tons of gift cards. You could just get the PayPal money too. And again, look at how much money they paid out. This is 100% legit. If you don't believe me, once I have 2,175, I'll do this live on camera so you can see. But it's legit. You can look it up, I promise. But you may be wondering also for like, how are they able to pay us money to play a video game, right? And a lot of people think it's a scam because of that, but it's really quite simple. This is from a business model called affiliate marketing, right? So pretty much Swagbucks is so big now, so it's a little different. These companies are probably actually paying Swagbucks like additional just to be on their website because they get so much traffic. But at the most basic level, this is what they're doing. This company is paying Swagbucks, let's say, $20 every time someone signs up and completes this task, and Swagbucks is paying 1,500 Swagbucks or $15 every time someone completes the task. So they're earning $5 every time someone does it. And it's completely free. They don't have to create their own product, nothing. And that's why affiliate marketing is so powerful. Think of it like Uber. Uber's the largest taxi cab company. They don't own any taxis. Or hotels.com. The largest hotel, company, but they don't own any hotels. Or Expedia, right? You get what I'm saying. These companies don't own what they're selling. They're just the middleman. And that's what affiliate marketing is. You're just the middleman, which is why the bonus I told you I was going to show you at the beginning is affiliate marketing. But this isn't just any type of affiliate marketing. What I focus on is high ticket affiliate marketing. And I love it not only because I can earn passive income while I'm sleeping, and obviously I don't have to create my own product, but because I can earn high ticket commissions up to $1,000 and even higher with just one sale, right? So it's not, grinding to make $5 a sale like the example I gave with Raid Shadow Legends, $1,000 a sale, right? So it's the same amount of work, but you just earn more. And it's not like any of that drop shipping, SMMA, Forex, whatever they're showing nowadays. Not to take away from any of those, but affiliate marketing is by far the easiest for beginners, guaranteed. But just like with anything in life, you have to get the proper training to be able to succeed. And luckily, I found a program that changed everything for me in my business. Not only are you able to promote the company themselves and earn high ticket commissions, but they also teach you exactly how to do it step by step. And the way to get started with this same exact program is going into the description. You'll see something that says program that makes me $1,000 affiliate commissions. You'll want to click the link below that to get access. Then all you'll do is enter your email on the first page, and then you'll see a short 2-minute video from me on the next page. And if you're interested, click the button below that and you can get started right away. Oh, and did I mention it's only $7 to get started? It's absolutely insane. But with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Remember to comment down below. Let me know which backdrop you like the most. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you have not done that already. But if you don't like any of these strategies and you want to do something else, you can check out these 2 money-making strategies right here. Thanks again for watching, and till next time.